Now see practice set 5.4. Question 1. If two coins are tossed, find the probability of following events. Number 1. Getting at least one head. Number 2. Getting no head. So we write first sample space for two coins. So S contains EHH, EHT, TH, TT as the sample point. So total number of sample point are 4. So N of S equals to 4. Then first event is getting at least one head. That means there must be one head or greater than one head. So we write here A equals to event getting at least one head. So A contains, first we write the sample point which contains one head. So HTTH contains one head, and here condition is at least. So at least one head in second and third element. There may be more than one head, so we write here two head, that is EHS. So N of A equals to 3. Now we required probability, and we know the probability by the formula P of A equals to N of A upon N of S. So first we calculate both the value, that is for event A and event B. So getting no head, so for second event getting no head, that is TT. So we write here B containing element TT. So N of B equals to 1. So we calculate here with the help of formula probabilities for these two events. So probability of getting at least one head. So we write here P of A equals to favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. So favorable outcomes are 3 and total number of outcomes are 4. So we write 3 by 4. And for second, probability of getting no head, that is P of B equals to favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. So here favorable outcomes are 1 and total number of outcomes are 4. So P of B equals to 1 by 4, or you can write in this way also. P of A equals to N of A upon N of S. So N of A is 3, N of B is S. So we get 3 by 4. And for second, we write P of B equals to N of B upon N of S. Here N of B is 1 and N of S is 4. So 1 by 4 is the probability for second event. Now see main question second. If two dice are rolled simultaneously, find the probability of following events. Number 1. The sum of the digits on the upper faces is at least 10. Second, the sum of the digits on the upper faces is 33. Number 3, the digit on the first die is greater than the digit on the second die. So here two dice are rolled, so we write sample space for two dice that contains 36 elements. So write number of sample point N of S equals to 36. So how to write that we discussed in previous examples. So see the first event, the sum of the digits on the upper faces is at least 10. That means we require sum on the of the digits on the upper faces is 10 or more than 10, because at least 10 is given, and if you observe here highest sum is 12. So we require sum as 10, 11 or 12. So we write A as the sum of the digits on the upper faces is at least 10. So A contains elements 4, 6, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. If we add this number, 4 plus 6 we get 10, 5 plus 5 we get 10, 5 plus 6 we get 11, 6 plus 4 we get 10, 6 plus 5 we get 11, 6 plus 6 we get 10. That means these all elements satisfy the condition that the sum is 10 or 11 or 12. So N of A equals to 6. So we use here formula P of A equals to N of A upon N of S, that is favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. So substitute the value of N of A as 6, N of S as 36. So we get the probability that the sum of the digits on the upper faces is at least 10 is 6. Then for second event, event B, the sum of the digits on the upper faces is 33. If you observe, highest sum is 6 plus 6 12. So there is no such elements whose sum is 33. So B contains no elements. So we write here B as empty set. So N of B equals to 0. So the probability we get 0. So we write here P of B equals to N of B upon N of S. N of B is 0, N of S is 36, and we know that 0 upon any number is 0. So the probability is 0. Then event C, the digit on the first die is greater than the digit on the second die. So here we write elements which satisfy this condition in set C. So 2 1, first number is greater, 3 1, first number is greater, 3 2, first number is greater, 4 1, first number is greater, 4 2, first number is greater, 4 3, first number is greater, 5 1, first number is greater, 5 2, first number is greater, 5 3, first number is greater, 5 4, first number is greater, 6 1, first number is greater, 6 2, first number is greater, 6 3, first number is greater, 6 4, first number is greater, 6 5, first number is greater. So all these order pairs satisfy the condition that the first number is greater than the second number. So total numbers are, so such total number of order pairs are 15. So write N of C equals to 15. So the probability we write here with the formula P of C equals to N of C upon N of S. Here N of C is 15, N of S is 36. So we substitute N of C as 15, N of S as 36. So after simplifying we get 5 upon 12 as the probability of the digit on the first die is greater than the second digit on second die is 5 by 12. Now see question number 3rd. There are 15 tickets in a box, each bearing one of the number from 1 to 15. One ticket is drawn at random from the box. Find the probability of event that the ticket drawn, number 1, show an even number, number 2, show a number which is a multiple of 5. So there are 15 tickets in a box. So we write here sample space and write numbers for our convenience. So sample space yes contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 numbers ticket. So see here N of S we write 15. Now first event is we required ticket showing an even number. So write A as the event, the ticket drawn show an even number. So the even numbers between 1 and 15 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So A contains element 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So these are total 7 numbers. So N of A equals to 7. So we use the formula P of A equals to N of A upon N of S. So N of A is 7, N of S is 15. So probability is 7 by 15. Then second, the ticket drawn show a number which is a multiple of 5. So we select number 5, 10, 15 which are multiple of 5. So write event B as the ticket drawn show a number which is a multiple of 5. So B contains element 5, 10, 15. Total elements are 3. So N of B equals to 3. So we write probability with the formula P of B equals to N of B upon N of S. So write P of B equals to N of B upon N of S. n of b is 3, n of s is 15. So write 3 upon 15. After simplifying we get 1 by 5. Then question number 4. Here is print mistake. Question 4. A 2-digit number is formed. A 2-digit number is formed with digits 2, 3, 5, 7, 9 without repetition. What is the probability that the number formed is an odd number, a multiple of 5? So first we write the sample space, in which we write combination of these 2, 3, 5, 7, 9 which form 2-digit numbers. So the numbers are 23, 25, 27, 29, 32, 35, 37, 39, 52, 53, 57, 59, 72, 73, 75, 79, 92, 93, 95, 97. So we write here n of s is equals to 20. The number of sample points n of s equals to 20. So first event is the number form is an odd number. So we select odd numbers 23, 27, 29, 35, 37, 39, 53, 57, 59, 73, 75, 79, 93, 95, 97. That means we skip even numbers from the sample space and write the elements for the event A. So see here, A is the event, the number form is an odd number. So we write here in set A even numbers 23, 25, 27, 29, 35, 37, 39, 53, 57, 59, 73, 75, 79, 93, 95, 97. These are total 16 number. So write n of a equals to 16. So we calculate probability by the formula p of a equals to n of a upon n of s. So total numbers in sample space are 20. So write n of s as 20. In event, total number of sample points are 16, elements are 16. So write 16 upon 20, which we get 4 by 5. Then for second event, the number form is a multiple of 5. So the multiple of 5, we know that when at unit place 5 is present, that number is multiple of 5. So 25, 35, then 75, then 95 are the numbers which are multiple of 5. So write here in event B, the number form is a multiple of 5. So B contains 25, 35, 75, 95. So total numbers are 4. So we write here n of B equals to 4. So the probability we calculate using formula P of B equals to n of B upon n of S. So n of B is 4 here, n of S is 20. So the probability of the number form is a multiple of 5 is 1 by 5. Then question number 5. A card is drawn at random from a pack of well shuffled 52 playing cards. Find the probability that the card drawn is number 1 an ace, a spade. So first we write in sample space number of sample points n of s equals to 52, because we already discussed the types of cards depending on color, types of cards depending on suit. So see here, number of sample point n of s equals to 52. We have to find the probability that the card drawn is an ace. So total number of ace are 4. So A is the event, we write the card drawn is an ace. So n of a equals to 4. So the probability P of a equals to n of a upon n of s, that is 4 by 52, that is 1 upon 13. And a spade. So total number of spade cards are 13. So we write here event B. The card drawn is a spade. So n of b equals to 13. So p of b equals to n of b upon n of s, that is 13 by 52. So after simplification we get 1 by 4.